Tell me, what do you do, and why did you join my program? What is it that you liked in my offering? And what is it that you are expecting from me? I have too many questions from you. And if you have gone through the 2-day course, you have any questions, doubts that you want me to address?
Yeah. I'm still going through the videos as I have my 3 years old son. He is not like I'm not getting sufficient time to watch it throughout it very consistently. So let me introduce myself. I'm Kanchan. Uh, I have 7 years experience in human resource profession. I
Mhm,
have worked for the companies like Kirloskar, L'Oreal, and Cadbury, which
mhm,
is now Mondelez.
mhm.
Um, and since 4 years, I'm on a break because of maternity, and I really wanted that break. Um, After that, when my son was 8 months old, I started taking tuition classes because he was very cooperative, and I didn't want to discontinue my. I wanted to get into something. I wanted to keep myself engaged with something else. So I started tuition classes, and I used to do it in my college days also when I was a student.
Mhm.
So teaching is my interest, or you can say passion. So I think I am I'm an above average teacher. I can say that because I have got my students have got improved over the time. At least 10 to 15% of marks they have improved over the time of 1 and 1.5 years time. And I have got very good feedback from their parents also. So somewhere I want to improve myself on my coaching skills. Also, when I was in human resource profession, training and development was my specialty. Though I'm not a certified trainer, I used to work more on the administration part, and so I want to get into this coaching and training. So this platform I found very useful for me because one of the reasons is this lockdown. We cannot reach out to the people directly,
Yes.
and I found Vandana's course very promising because um, saw one of many courses, many advertisements, but there was not much which was offered. Okay, and in first preview seminar or preview lecture itself, she has given many more things, Vandana. I have to say, you have offered many things, and even if we don't continue with your further levels, you have given that guideline about how we can get into this process on our own. So it is very good. No trainer I have found gives these things to in first seminar itself. Uh,
Thank you so much.
so that was one thing. And once I would finish all these courses, I will definitely have my questions, which I will get with to you.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Kanchan. I mean, it feels great when people can see, with what intent I have prepared the course. And my intent is to give the complete strategy, okay? So that,
Yeah.
because I want to reach out to as many people as possible, and I want it to suit every pocket, okay? Because I want people to have money for their own growth, because I have seen people spend money on flashy stuff, thinking that their life will change. And then when they come back and then they realize they don't have money to invest in themselves to progress step by step on their journey. So the way I have done is I've structured in such a way that you need as much as you must need. and you make that step-by-step progress, and once you generate some funds, then you think of setting it up as a business, right? So with that approach, I have created the course, and I wanted to give the complete strategy, and I want people only, if they want to master this, you pay for mastery, not for strategy. So that with that intention, I have put the strategy, complete strategy. In fact, my across my 4 webinars that I have done last month, yesterday I thought I will make it still shorter, but yesterday I shot up like anything. I mean, generally my seminars go beyond time, but this one I was thinking, no, I'm going to make it pure 90 minutes, this, that. But there's so much to share, and in the flow, it just goes across. So I want to connect with people who understand the space that which I come from. Okay. So it makes a lot of sense that I'm only extracting. I don't mind just one person signing up, or 2% signing up, or 3 signups, right? But at least, there is a tuning, Kanchan, your words, like last time when Rajiv had joined, right? When Aparna joined, right? The kind of words they use to express why they joined the program is exactly the intent with which I wanted to create the program, and that means a world to me. So thank you so much. Every word that you spoke really matters to me. Thank you for coming on board, because I want to create a community of valuable knowledge givers. I just don't want anybody who has something to share coming, learning the process and doing it, because I don't want to create distortion in the market. I really want, even 100 valuable teachers I'm able to create is worth the time and effort that all of us are investing together, right? So thank you so much for being part of this community.